Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can insert or add a calendar to your pages on Microsoft Loop. So let us dive into this. So guys, you can add a calendar as a command here in your page. Navigate to your page inside your workspace. Skip to the line here at the very bottom to start a new line here. You skip to the next line here by pressing enter, and after that enter the command /calendar, and you will see this template here. Click into it, and that is going to add that default calendar. Insert it with today. For example, go to today, which is January 27th, 2026. But of course, you can navigate through that calendar by using these arrow to the right and left buttons to February, March, and going forward, or to the past, of course, as well. And yeah, you may add, for example, items to these days. So we have January 27th, which is this. Let me add an item to tomorrow, which is 28th, like a new card. And you may, for example, assign someone. You may set a status, like in progress, set a due date, and so on and so forth. Add comments, create the task name here, and that's basically it. Now let me close that card here, and yeah, that's how you add a calendar. You may of course customize it a bit, download it as a CSV, expand it, or collapse it, insert, for example, a new command below, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.